Hello everyone, myself Sanjay Lamtamang. Today I bring for you all New England Clam Chowder soup recipe. Don't skip the video, watch until the end and follow the instruction and ingredients. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home or workplace. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई भिडियोलाई स्किप नगरिकन अन्त्यसम्म हेरेर तपाईँहरूले आफ्नो फ्यामिली फ्रेन्ड्सहरूसँग र वर्क प्लेस कार्यक्षेत्रमा पनि तपाईँहरूले मजाले चाहिँ यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर इन्जोय गर्नुहोला है त। New England Clam Chowder recipe, creamy, hearty, and full of flavor. New England Clam Chowder ingredients: 4 sliced bacon chopped or 2 tablespoon butter for non-pork version. 1 medium onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 medium potato peeled and diced, yolk gold or rosette work oil, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour for thickening, 2 cup boiled clam juice or seafood stock, 1 cup water, 1 and 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon fresh thyme or half teaspoon dry thyme, salt and pepper to taste, 2 cup chopped clams, canned or fresh, drained if canned, 1.5 cup heavy cream or half and half for lighter, 2 tablespoon fresh parsley chopped. Instruction: cook bacon if using in a large pot. Cook bacon until crispy, remove and set aside, leaving dropping. If not using bacon, melt butter and instead. Saute aromatics: add onion and garlic, cook 3 to 4 until softness. Add potatoes and flour, stir in potato, then sprinkle with flour. Cook 1 or 2 minutes to remove raw flavor and taste. Add liquid and simmer. Pour in clam juice plus water. Add bay leaves and thyme. Simmer 10 to 12 minutes until potato are tender. Add clams and cream. Stir in clams, cream and bacon. If using, simmer gently for 5 minutes. Do not boil or clam get hot. Finish seasoning with the salt and pepper. Garnish with parsley before serving. Chef tips: serve with the oyster cracker or crusty bread. For richer flavor, add a splash of dry wine when cooking open. If you like extra thicken, mash or few potato cubes into a soup before adding clams. For a lighter version, swipe cream for milk or a milk stock mix. Always do visit my profile, have a look, many more recipes are there and enjoy with family friends. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई। जहिले पनि मेरो प्रोफाइलमा भिजिट गरौँला, रिसिभ हेरौँला र इन्जोय गरौँला। तपाईँको साथीभाइ फ्यामिलीहरूसँग भन्न चाहे मैले सबैजनालाई मस्त रहनुहोस्, व्यस्त रहनुहोस्, आफ्नो जीवनमा भरपूर तरिकाले इन्जोय गरेर जिउनुहोस्। थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच, लभ यु अल, सी यू नेक्स्ट इन द भिडियो।